Good morning, this is Cloverly Trading with an FX and crypto update for July 16th, 2024. We have Canadian CPI today, the Consumer Price Index month to month, which is the change of price in goods and services by consumers. So each country has a basket of goods in it, and every month the price of this basket is registered, and it shows us whether price has gone up or down. Also at the same time, the core retail sales month-to-month figure will be released, which is an indicator for overall economic activity. Consumer spending is pretty stable because of the positive wage growth and resilient labor market. For the American session, these two can be market movers, so be aware of that if you're trading around 2:30 p.m. Amsterdam time. Fed Chair Powell said on Monday the central bank will not wait until inflation hits 2% to cut rates. The Fed's mandate is to keep prices stable at around 2%, and if they will wait too long to cut rates, the policy rate is an important tool for central banks to influence decreasing or increasing consumer prices, it will probably go way below the 2%. So that's basically a dovish comment, which leads to a rate cut expectation in September. The risk-on environment, because of the Powell remarks, might cap the upside for gold at the moment and keeps treasury yields depressed. Bitcoin and Ethereum are trading higher and regaining some of the June's losses, which had to do with the fact that the German government sold approximately 50k Bitcoin into the market. On-chain analysis shows they now hold 0 Bitcoin. The weekly Bitcoin chart now shows a bullish cup and handle pattern. And now let's have a look at the charts. First of all, day trading the euro dollar. Because dollar is weak, we can see continuation to the upside. Price took out the H4 point of interest and will possibly go higher. If we see a H4 body close above this POI, then I will be looking to get in on an M15 order block. If the H4 choke is broken with the body, then we will probably go lower to this POI to gather up some fuel for continuation on this M15 order block to the upside. Scalping the euro dollar, the M15 had just had the market structure swift to the upside and left behind a point of interest which had swept some liquidity. If price returns, we can look for an M1 order block in this area. And there's not a lot except for this one and maybe this one. But for now, price is heading up. The Bitcoin dominance had broken this fairly decent trend line with a close below it and is now consolidating. Then for trading altcoins, Cardano is showing some momentum to the upside on the H4. When price reaches the golden zone, here between the blue and the green lines, and breaks the trend line on the M15, I'm buying 50% and then another 15% on the retest. Same with arbitrage. When price reaches the golden pocket and breaks a decent trend line, I'll start buying. AVAX has already reached the golden zone, so let's see if it can break the trend line anytime soon. And last but not least, for investing, the best advice I can probably give you right now is to dollar cost average yourself into positions you already have or ones you're interested in, because I'm afraid we haven't seen the bottom yet for altcoins. That's it for this update. Have a good day.